Good day everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about Arden's theorem. Arden's theorem is a theorem in formal language theory that provides a method for solving linear equations involving regular expressions. It's used to convert regular expressions to finite automata or FA and vice versa. So what it does? Simplifies and manipulates regular expressions and finite automata and helps to determine the regular expressions of finite automata. So how it works? So we need to solve linear equation system involving regular expressions and uses the concatenations operator and the Kleene closure operator to rewrite regular expressions. So who developed it? So developed by William Arden's in 1961. So how it's used? Used to convert an NFA to a regular expressions. You can write equations for each state of the NFA and then substitute the state variable using Arden's theorem. So here's the example.
In this video, we're designing a regular expression. Find the regular expression for the following DFA. So dito we have a first state Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Then the starting state is Q1 and the final state. So tingnan dito kung meron tayong incoming transition. So Q1 ilagay natin dito. Simula tayo sa Q1 dahil siya yung starting state. So wala tayong nakita, so lalagay natin dito epsilon. Then tingnan natin kung merong ibang transition for the Q1. So Q2B. So Q2B ito, incoming transition plus Q3A incoming transition Q3A. So this is the first equation. Next is Q2. Q2 incoming transition for Q2 is the Q1A. So this is the second equation. The next Q3 incoming transition for Q3 is Q1B. So the third equation is siya. Then Q4 incoming transition for Q4 is Q3B. Then plus Q2, meron din Q2A plus itself Q4A and Q4B. So this is the fourth equation. Next, isosolve natin yung equation number 1. Then Q1, susulatin lang natin dito. Q1 is equal to epsilon plus Q2B plus Q3A. Then hanapin natin ang value ng second and third equation. So Q2 is equal to Q1A. So ilalagay natin dito Q1A. Then B, ilalagay natin dito plus Q3. Hanapin yung Q3. Q3 is equal to Q1B. Then A, ilalagay natin dito. Then next, magkaparehas yung Q1. So ilalagay natin yung isa. So Q1 is equal to epsilon Q1. Then ilalagay natin ito, ipa-plus EB plus BA. Next, so dito na papasok yung Arden's theorem. Arden's theorem for R equal to RQ plus RP. So R this is the R Q1. Then Q is the epsilon. Then Q1 is the R. Then AB plus BA is the P. So pag nahanap natin ito, pupunta tayo dito sa R is equal to QP star. QP star, so R, yung R is the Q1, so lalagyan natin dito is equal to Q is the epsilon, ilalagay natin dito. Then P lang naman ito, lalagay natin yung AB plus BA, then star. Next, ito E epsilon R is equal to R. So it's invisible na ito tatanggalin. Then, ilalagay na natin dito, Q1 is equal to AB plus BA star. So, this is the regular expression.